What do you know about Russia's upcoming PAK-DA next-generation heavy bomber? The Russian government recently announced that construction has begun on prototypes for their forthcoming stealth bomber, being developed under the name PAK-DA. That means the field of low-observable bombers is promising to be more crowded than ever by the close of the 2020s, with the United States, Russia, and China all planning to field new platforms within the next 9 or so years. Russia's next-generation PAK-DA heavy bomber, currently under development by the Tupolev Design Bureau, planned to enter service from 2022, is set to modernize the country's long-range strike capabilities, and alongside the new Tu-160M2 and Tu-22M3M will revolutionize the bomber arm of the country's strategic nuclear forces. The new bomber will utilize a flying wing design much like America's B-2 Spirit and forthcoming B-21 Raider. It will be a subsonic platform with heavy payload capabilities that will include cruise missiles, precision bombs, and hypersonic weapons. The PAK-DA is expected to also become a world-leading platform, which may well also surpass the upcoming H-20 and B-21. While the PAK-DA was initially speculated to be a further modification of the Tu-160, or a platform heavily based on its highly successful White Swan airframe, later reports indicated that the aircraft would be an entirely new design. Other reports indicated that the PAK-DA may make use of a flying wing design and a stealth profile, though unlike the American bomber, the Russian aircraft will not be designed for penetrative strikes to operate above enemy airspace, and will instead be equipped with missiles to strike targets from standoff ranges. To maximize their survivability, Russian bombers have long relied on the ability to strike enemy targets at extreme standoff ranges, ensuring they can maintain a safe distance from hostile air defenses and fighter jets. The Tu-160 best exemplifies this, with its Kh-55SM cruise missiles retaining a phenomenal 3,000 km engagement range, and its high operational altitude and Mach 2.05 speed, allowing it to conduct hit and run attacks in relative safety. The PAK-DA is likely to follow this highly successful trend, with the bomber reportedly set to deploy hypersonic missiles to better evade enemy air defenses and engage hostile targets with precision at extreme ranges. This falls in line with Russia's recent emphasis on hypersonic missile development to upgrade its forces across the spectrum, from air defense combat vehicles to ship-hunting interceptors and nuclear-armed intercontinental range glide vehicles. To cut costs on the PAK-DA's development, the aircraft set to be aimed primarily at deterring attacks by the Western Bloc. Much is yet to be revealed regarding the PAK-DA.